Hello, folks. I'm Detroit Miracle. Yes, and indeed. Right now, I'm waiting on the train, waiting on my train. Oh, look, their train is coming, but where mine's at? Yeah, when you're waiting on them, they usually come from the other direction first, amongst other things. Okay, let's do some investigations. One must have just left because it's almost empty in here. Yeah. So in times like this, you have to have patience. You have to be completely patient while waiting for your train. Oh, the tracks look so still. Yep. I'm sure mine won't take longer to get here than needed. Oh, where's the train? Where's the train?